Okay. Hey everybody, how are you? We just finished a plate job. I had two vices set up with three solo clamps, and I do have the job returning, so I would really like to leave this setup and work through my next jobs that I have to, which I will be able to. So that's one thing that's very awesome about the Gold Grips. Well, right now I do have a tube job. I'll grab it. So I got four of these to do. And what I'd like to do is I'm going to show you guys how to set up two of these without moving anything on the two bases. All right. So for this setup, all we're going to need is a 10 mil Allen key and an 8 mil Allen key. And believe it or not, these don't have to be that tight. Snug, put about maybe 50% power into it. And that's it. Let the dovetail do the work. Now what I'm going to do is I do have 6 heads here. And I'm going to set up 2 lanes with 2 heads each facing towards each other to make basically 2 small vices. Okay, so you see everything's nice and loose. I do have some WD-40 in there. It always helps. Love that stuff. Okay. Now you just pick it up, rotate, feed it in. Likewise. Another big bonus is every head is compatible. So I can take this one that I have in the middle over here and slide it in. Away we go. Oh yeah, I gotta take those off too. Okay. Take this, I'm too close on the block. Now another really nice thing is each of these bases are all machined and everything's machined within a thou. So even this, I have tubing, which it's, I don't know, what was that, 24 inches. That's not going to be perfect anyway. So truthfully, to speed up by hand, I can grab a parallel. If I line my back of my vise head right up with the parallel, that's going to bring me within, I don't know, 2-3 thou max. And I'm not going to cry over that. Oh, we got 2 backstops set up there. Likewise, same thing over here. Okay, so that's 4 backstops set up. 1, 2. I'm going to take this head off and this head off because they're my goodies. They're just my adjusters. There. Need a little bit of juice. Full. below. Okay, fit that in. Now, we're 3 inches off the table, and we'll use the same height. Okay, 4 parallels. All right, now let's grab our job. Got about 1/2 inch engagement there, it's plenty. Now what I like to do, leave it about 1/16 from the edge. Tighten up the back ones. And again, you don't gotta go crazy. Let the dovetail do the work. Okay. Now, I wanted to use a 2-inch cutter, so I'll sneak her over a bit. Beautiful. Okay, now we just tighten. You can do the backs, you don't have to. It's not imperative. I normally just make sure that the screw's tight, but it's not necessary. Right there, we got about 3,000 per head on it. Not going nowhere. Okay. Now we're nice and flat and square to our parallel or to our bases. We know our back is 0, and we know we're flat to our tubing, and that's in this case that matters because when you weld all on one side, I don't know if you can see it on the video. I'll have to see later, but they bow on you. And as simple as that, I do have a 6-inch cutter set up there behind us. And let's give it a touch off and I'll run it down the line. Hopefully my camera stays. I'll give it a run. Right now that's 312 RPM at 80 inches a minute. And again, we're just checking. But it gives you a nice idea of how quick and rigid these are. Let's see this last one. Oh, that's some meat to it. I got 63% load right now. Let's go. Oh, I'm at my travel. You bugger. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully my camera stayed. Yeah, it did. Heck yeah. And now I'll actually pick these up. Zed's pretty much set now, so I'm good to go. But yeah, I got 4 of these to do. I got another 4 longer ones to do. And then even after this setup, I'll do another video because, again, I have 50 plates that are coming for the exact setup where these are. And I'd like to show you guys how you can how versatile these can be, pumping different types of jobs through the shop. Thank you. Everybody have a good night. Like and subscribe. Mad Machinist.